What's up, everybody? It's your favorite CEO here, Sabriena C, CEO and founder of Velvet Luxe Cosmetics and host of Becoming the CEO podcast. Like many Bronxites, I wear many hats. I serve as the Chief of Staff for Assemblymember Chantel Jackson, representing the 79th Assembly District. On November 4th at La Centrale YMCA from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., our office is hosting the Secure the Bag Resource Fair in partnership with the Bronx Chamber of Commerce and the Bronx Community Foundation. If you are a small business owner, an entrepreneur, or aspiring to own your own business, this is the event you don't want to miss. We will have some organizations and agencies that provide resources to small business owners, such as the New York City Department of Small Business Services and WEDCO, tabling at this event for free. We'll also have 2 panels, one on e-commerce and the other on retail product placement. The e-commerce panel will focus on giving entrepreneurs and business owners advice on selling online. The retail product placement panel will provide advice on how to get your products in stores or even how to own your own storefront. You can RSVP by going to Eventbrite and searching up Secure the Bag Resource Fair. Pull up on us.